Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, I appeared before you folks about 2 weeks ago, and I got into the tail end of the meeting. I'm glad to be here today at the beginning of the meeting. I'd like to take this opportunity to formally introduce myself and introduce my wife. We are the owners of the property where we want to put the bar. Allison, you stand up. This is my wife, Allison. My name is Hiram Pierce. Her name is Allison Pierce. And we live in Shadydale. Allison's family has lived in this county basically all of her life. I have lived here for 13 years, and we are registered voters actually in Mr. Hill's district. Allison is a former school teacher. I am a practicing attorney in Congress. I've been practicing law for about 32 years. She's been retired from teaching about 10 years. Now, as far as our character and our intent with this establishment is concerned, it's certainly not our intent to do anything against the law. I have thoroughly read the ordinance that the county has promulgated with regard to the application and licensing of granting a pouring license. And I can assure you that there's nothing in the ordinance that we would do that maybe the former owner might have done to offend anybody in our community. Certainly nothing against the law. It's not our nature to break the law. Allison is going to be the primary manager of the bar. And our intent is to expand the restaurant facilities to try to increase more food customers, if you will. We've upgraded the kitchen. It's a fully commercial kitchen now. We put a lot of our own money into it. Now, it's my understanding that the complaints that were fired off against us last time, most of which I did not hear, but the complaints were about enforcement issues and not application issues. They were about enforcement issues against the former owner. The former owner is not here. The former owner does not own that property. We own it. And it's patently unfair to judge us by what the former owner did or what he let go on at the bar. Now, we have met all of the qualifications as licensees. I've thoroughly read Article 2 of the ordinance, and we've complied with every one of those qualifications. We've also met with all of the requirements for the application for the pouring license. And it's my position, both as an owner and as an attorney at law, that if all of those requirements for licensees and qualifications are met, then the license must be granted and cannot be legally denied by this board. Now, other than the application for rehearing before this board, there is no grievance procedure or no further appeal set forth in your own ordinance. Now, it's my belief, again, as an owner, as an attorney, that the denial, ultimate denial, would be a violation of our due process and equal protection rights under the Constitution. And the remedy for that would be to seek a petition for mandamus in Superior Court of this county against this board, to compel this board to issue the license to us, and to sue the county and all the individual board members for damages. Now, we spend a lot of money on this place. Every day and every week that we're not open, we're losing money. So that is not a threat. That is just my understanding of how it is. Every referendum regarding the sale of alcohol, well, you know, somebody else might not talk as long as me, but every referendum regarding the sale of alcohol in this county has passed, and it's had overwhelming support. Now, this board is elected to do the will of the electorate. It's not elected to sit in censorship. And we've got some supporters here. I'd like to really, everybody in support of the bar, stand up. Now, we didn't have anybody last time. We've got a few this time. A number of them, I think, won't speak. How many of you, sit down, everybody except who is a resident of Farrell. All the residents of Farrell, stand up.
Shadydale County.
In the Shadydale district, yes.
Did we get to talk longer than 3 minutes?
No.
Yeah.
Well,
You do it all three fair to everybody.
well, the preacher can, he's your representative.
No,
Well,
he's
we're
not
talking about-
representing all of us.
All right, we're gonna have to.
You're wrong.
All these folks are residents of Farrell.
Everyone, please.